Welcome back everyone to today's first video, and we're going to be looking at the weather for the next 2 days. We're going to do a weekend forecast. So it won't be a very long video, but we might as well have a look at what the weather's going to be like for the weekend, as we are going to start seeing some winteriness come into the forecast by tomorrow. So let's get into this. So this is how we are at the moment. We have got an area of high pressure sitting over the country, and it is starting to retrogress up towards Greenland. This cold front starting to push south over Scotland will start bringing colder air with it. And the upper air temperatures look like this. So we are actually quite mild with the upper air temperatures, but it'll still feel very cool, very chilly on the surface. So once again, a quite cold day today. And the precipitation looks like this for the current situation. We've got a couple of showers over Northern Ireland, maybe Northern England, but there's not really much precipitation around at the moment. Now, as we go towards dinner time, we can see that high pressure edging even closer towards Greenland. We're retrogressing that high pressure up towards Greenland, and the colder air starting to plunge south, and we will start to feel the cold air. It will get colder on the surface into tomorrow. Now the upper air temperatures based on that look like this. So once again, you can see them cold fronts dropping south with the divide of the mild and cold air, and the very cold air to the north starting to plunge south. So that is what we look like with that. Let's see what the precipitation's like for dinner time. Once again, by around dinner time, we are going to see quite a cloudy, dry day. There's some showers around Ireland, Northern Ireland, probably some showers just starting to get into the northern Scotland, the far north of Scotland, but there will be drizzle and rain showers and not snow yet, as the cold air is not fully plunged south yet. Now as we move into tonight, that high pressure properly starts to retrogress up towards Greenland, and we start to drag down a very cold northerly wind. This will probably start to introduce some more snow showers into Scotland as the wind switches round into the north. So let's have a closer look at that now. First of all, the upper air temperatures look like this. Once again, you can see that cold air plunging south by this point. That mild air, that wedge of mild air pushed way down south, and we are getting the wind into the north with the -5 and -10 upper air temperatures getting into the country, but by around midnight tonight. So as we go into tomorrow, we are going to be looking very cold. Let's have a look at the precipitation based on that. So as we move into tomorrow, you can see there's more showers around, some drizzle for Wales and the Midlands, and Northern Ireland probably seeing some wintry showers, but for Scotland we're getting some very persistent and heavy snow showers by this point, and we could see 2 to 5 centimetres with these showers building up. So that is what we're looking like midday tomorrow. Now, as we move into Sunday night, into Monday, you can see that high pressure properly starts to block over Greenland, and we're dragging down some very cold, bitterly cold northerly winds originating from the Arctic Circle, so the temperatures will be dropping significantly. Now the upper air temperatures look very, very interesting with this now. We're starting to drop the -10 temperatures through the country and trying to get the -15 towards Scotland. And by this point the precipitation is going to be looking like this. We're seeing a lot of snow showers into Northern Ireland by this point, a very, very heavy snow showers into Scotland, probably a couple clipping Norfolk and the east coast just there, and some winter showers over Wales. As we go further ahead into the week, we're not going to show that now because this is just a weekend forecast, but we're probably going to see snow for a lot of the country. Most places seeing a little bit of snow. Thanks everyone for tuning into the weekend forecast, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.